Today we're going to be reviewing this Sony 3-head cassette deck, model TC-KE400S. This is Sony's upper tier cassette deck, which featured its infamous Dolby S noise reduction. I'm going to go ahead and take you back in time to 1983 when this was released. This cassette deck was packed with features. It had manual recording levels, bias, calibration button. You could change it to Dolby C, B, and its special feature S. Here we have a couple more cassette decks that also utilize the Dolby S feature. Here we have the K909ES deck, and the silver one is the K55ESJ, which primarily came out in the Japanese market. The older cassette decks, like the ones you see here from the 80s, never had the Dolby S feature. These only had Dolby C and B, so they're pretty limited. Cool looking decks, but they didn't have the noise reduction. This particular tape deck has a solid playhead. There's no hissy, no noise when you play your tapes. And the fast forward and rewind are very fast, very quiet machine. This is one of Sony's better models. If you're interested in buying one, your best bet is probably eBay. That's where I purchased mine. You can probably get one for cheaper that someone selling for parts and just fix it yourself. Usually the only issue these have are belts degrade. You can easily find the belts and fix them yourself for pretty cheap. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time.